For the second consecutive day, India has reported more recoveries than fresh cases of coronavirus. According to the Health Ministry data this morning, 94,612 people have been cured in the last 24 hours. With this, more than 43 lakh COVID-19 patients have recovered from the infection in the country, pushing the recovery rate close to 80%. The country recorded 92,605 new coronavirus infections in 24 hours, taking its tally past the 54 lakh mark. The number of cases in the country now stand at 54 lakh 619, including 10 lakh 10,000 active cases. Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will discuss the coronavirus situation with the chief ministers of 7 states badly hit by the pandemic on September 23 via video conferencing. The meeting comes as most of the states in the country have been witnessing an alarming rise in the number of COVID cases over the last few weeks. The 7 states include Delhi, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, which are the worst affected in the country as of now. Moving on to the next news, companies having not less than 300 workers will soon be allowed to hire and fire workers without seeking prior government permission, with the Labour Ministry proposing changes to the rules in a bill introduced in Lok Sabha on Saturday. The proposal, which was the bone of contention between the ministry and trade unions, is part of the Industrial Relation Code Bill 2020. Currently, only those industrial establishments with less than 100 employees are permitted to hire and fire their staff without permission of the government. Moving on to the next news. Speaking in Parliament for the first time since his release from the detention, the National Conference President and MP Farooq Abdullah on Saturday advocated talks with Pakistan, saying if India can talk to China to defuse their border row, it can also speak to its other neighbor to deal with the situation at Jammu and Kashmir borders. Border skirmishes have been rising and people are dying. A way has to be found out to deal with this, except for talks. As you are talking to China to attempt that it withdraws from the Ladakh border, we should also talk to our other neighbor to find a way to get out of this situation, he said in Lok Sabha during the 0 hour. Moving on to the next news, the farm bills are historic and will bring a change in the lives of farmers, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said as he moved the agriculture-related bills in the Rajya Sabha today. 3 agriculture-related bills were passed in the Lok Sabha amid farmer protest and opposition walkouts. The Congress-led opposition is trying to cobble together the numbers to shoot down the 3 pieces of legislation which it says is anti-farmer. The ruling BJP, with support of its NDA allies and new friendly parties, is expected to have the advantage if the bills are put to vote.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.